Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word plaids. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Sarah is wearing a cozy flannel shirt with red and green plaids. Plaids refers to a pattern consisting of crossed horizontal and vertical stripes of different colors, creating a checkered design often used in clothing. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.